If you're annoyed that everything's blocked on your school Chromebook, I'll show you exactly how to stop that today. So firstly, just type Chrome :/ extensions, and then whatever's unblocking you, just press details and you'll copy the ID next to it. So you see the long letters and stuff next to it. You just copy and paste that, and then go to another tab and then just copy what I'm typing right now. So Chrome -extension, and then you do : / and then you just copy and paste what you just done, and then you want to put another slash, and then you want to do that manifest thing, and then you want to do .json. And then after you do this, you copy and paste the whole thing, Control C or whatever you do, and you press Alt right click, and then you press add page, and then you just change the name to whatever you want. I'll just name it first, and then you want to do that and copy and paste it, and then you want to do another one, so Alt right click and then press add page again, and then you want to name it second or whatever you want, doesn't really matter. Oh, I do not mean to put that, but just name it second, and then just do URL, and then you want to change that to kill, and then you want to press save, and then you want to do the next one, press add page, and sorry, this is the last one, and then just press hang on this one, and then press save again, and then you're basically finished. So just press the first one first, and then it'll bring you to this. Want to press the second one second, and it'll bring you to this, and you can press the third one third, and then it will unblock whatever your unblock thing is, like Go Guardian, and then you want to go to whatever you want to go, like YouTube or whatever's blocked, and then that will be unblocked. And yeah, thank you for watching, and goodbye.